Hello guys, how are you? My name is Aslam Habub. I am from Bangladesh, and since my childhood I've been living in Oman, and I have finished my studies, my O levels from Bangladesh to Muscat, which is in Oman, and after that I have joined my BTech level 3, which also is in Oman. I have done my BTech from Modern College of Business and Science, and Alhamdulillah today I arrived in UK in London Heathrow Airport, and through study milestone. I have found a study milestone through one of my cousins who is living in UK at currently. My journey was quite longer because of searching with universities with good percent of scholarship. But yeah, it was a quite long process, but I never gave up. I wanted to give up, but because of, I would like to mention special two person like Mr. Himer and Mr. Imam Hussein. These two person were really gave me some boost ups. They kept up giving me with some guidelines and with some every step that could even make me possible with my faster process. And yeah, now I'm here. I'm quite happy with that. About 9 to 10 university offered me, but it was quite difficult to choose the best university with the best of scholarship. I'm going to do bachelor's in computer science in London Southbank University Southward campus. It was quite not that difficult. The process was really easy. Yeah, but the thing is you need to provide with the right documents, and if you provide the right documents and if you have the right guidelines, there shouldn't be any problems. And the main thing, you should never give up. I would like to recommend study milestone to me, not only to me and my family and friends. Also, I would like to recommend study milestone anywhere, anyone any student around the world, so that if they want to pursue their further studies, they can contact to study milestone.